Hi Ray, I've got a little bug in a plugin that you haven't worked on yet, and I'd like to brief it in and get you to have a look at it before the problem disappears. It may disappear. I've got this plugin called Broken Link Checker, and essentially what it does is it checks my website and reports if any broken links are found. Now, it has worked well, and I have also noticed it work inconsistently, I believe, with perhaps protected pages. In any case, at the moment, I have the Bruni Island page, and there is a link under the neck lookout with this link here. So if I click on that, it's a broken link, but Link Checker is not reporting it. Now, I have seen a link before. It did pick up a link before that was a protected page. This time it's not picking up the link, and I'm logged in to WordPress, and I'm logged in to WPE member as well. So if you could just have a look and possibly see why it's not picking up that link, that would be great. Thanks, Ray. Just one more thing to add. Sorry, Ray. These settings here. So look for links in pages, which links to check, HTML links. I don't know if I'm meant to be checking plain text URLs. Protocols and APIs, advanced. There's a whole bunch of settings, and recheck all pages. So this will make it empty its link database and recheck the entire site from scratch, which I did, and there's still no broken links found, and I'm logged in on both WordPress and WPE member. So I'll leave that with you. See how you go. Cheers. Thank you, Ray.